a jellyfish that can live forever? Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the only known creature that can return to its juvenile state after reaching maturity, essentially resetting its life cycle. This tiny marvel, often called the immortal jellyfish, has the extraordinary ability to bypass death, baffling scientists who are eager to uncover its secrets. Imagine a creature that, instead of dying, simply starts over, making it a biological anomaly and a potential key to breakthroughs in aging and longevity studies. How does it do this, and what can we learn from its remarkable resilience?